In this video, we will see how we can check the tax document from our WeBull application. For this video, I am using the WeBull mobile application. So at first you have to open the WeBull application. My WeBull application is located under stocks. And here we are seeing that this is the WeBull application. At first we need to open the application by tapping over it. So I'm going to open it. Once you open the WeBull application, it will look like this. Our goal is to check the tax document. So at first we need to tap on the main menu like this. This is the main menu of WeBull. It will blink something like that. We need to tap it over there, and once we tap it, it will ask us to put our password or Touch ID. I'm going to put my Touch ID, and then it will unlock all the account information. Now if you try to search the tax document, you will not find that. We have to unlock the more application. So here there is a more button. We just need to tap it over there. So I'm going to tap more, and then you will find this type of page. Then you have to scroll down a little bit, and you will find there is a part. It is called document. Okay, this is the document part, and under document there are three things, and the last is tax document. So to see or download tax document, we have to access this folder, and after coming this page, I mean this link, we have to tap it over there, and then we'll go in tax document this page. So here one thing is important to mention. Sometimes we will not able to see anything, then there will be one link like process. Okay, so here you're seeing like 2020 then available, but for your case it might not be over like this way. It will be like process or download, this type of button will be there. So that means you are opening this thing for the first time. So only for first time you have to tap it over here, and then it will be available for you to download or to see. So for my case, I already did that, and that's why it is not showing like that. It is showing like available. If you tap it over here like available over there, or from down, it will go to the main tax document. So let's see whether we are able to open it or not. I just tap it and I see that the tax document is open in the file. Same way you can also download or check from the next link also, like PDF, this link also. If you tap it over, it will come to the same thing. Okay, so in this way we can easily check the tax document from WeBull, and later if we need, we can also download this thing or email to our email to check on our computer. That's all guys. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to download or check your tax document from WeBull application. Thank you guys for watching the video. If this video is helpful or useful, please consider subscribing to our channel.